suffering, which is by overcoming desire. The fourth, Martha, the path to the termination of this suffering, which reads a balanced lifestyle guided with right understanding, right intention, and right speech, and many other moral and meditative disciplines. According to the Buddhist thought, a person's action, good or bad, shapes their future lives. The liberation from this cycle is the ultimate goal. There are three main schools of Buddhism around the world, which although have distinct practices, they follow the same foundational teachings. Theravada Buddhism is the most common in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and Cambodia. It emphasizes a monastic lifestyle and focuses on individual meditation and strict adherence to the Buddha's original teaching. Second, Mahayana Buddhism is the most common in China, Japan, Korea, Mongolia, Taiwan, and Tibet. It promotes the ideal of bodhisattvas, an enlightened being who delays personal liberation in order to help others reach enlightenment. The third, Vajrayana Buddhism, often considered a branch of Mahayana, but uniquely practiced in Tibet, Nepal, Bhutan, and Mongolia, integrates rituals, mantras, and meditative practices. It promotes a quicker path to enlightenment, sometimes even within a lifetime. Acts of generosity and compassion are central to the day of Buddha Purnima. Many Buddhists distribute food, medicines, fruits in hospitals, orphanages, shelters, and to those in need. Monks chant sutras believed to have been spoken by the Buddha over 2600 years ago, invoking peace, love, and unity and well-being for the society and the individual. Spiritually, Buddha Purnima is a time for reflection on the Buddha's teachings. It encourages the practice of mindfulness, compassion. This sacred occasion is celebrated by millions of Buddhists around the world with profound respect. The most mantras chanted on this day is Buddhang Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammang Sharanam Gacchami, Shanghang Sharanam Gacchami. This Pali mantra translates to I take refuge in the Dharma, I take refuge in the Sangha, reflecting the core commitments of a Buddhist practitioner. May the spirit of Buddha Purnima inspire us all to cultivate peace, wisdom, and compassion in our lives. Thank you, Namo Buddhaya.
मैं तो कुछ नहीं है मैं कॉलेज से बजा हुआ
Now we call upon Emily Garba to facilitate with a bouquet of flowers and memento. Shubhatu Garba, President, Railway Board, SC Employee Association, Rail Bhavan, New Delhi.
थोड़ी चाय
मैंने बोली थी ना अभी चलना है तो पीना तो पी लेते हैं
We formally invite Venerable PhD men,
जो
research scholar of Gautam Buddha University, to share his thoughts and reflection with us. Your presence and words of wisdom would enrich our gathering.